Hello again, this is Pearson Brown. Today we're going to talk about the present continuous. The present continuous is used to talk about present situations which we see as short-term or temporary. We use the present simple to talk about present situations which we see as long-term or permanent. In these next examples, the action is taking place at the time of speaking. It's raining. Now it's raining. I'm getting wet. Who is Kate talking to on the phone? Look, someone is trying to steal that man's wallet. I'm not looking. I'm not looking because my eyes are closed tightly. It's too frightening. In these next examples, the action is true at the present time, but we don't think it will be true in the long term. It's temporary. I'm looking for a new apartment. I won't be looking for ever and ever and ever, but for the moment, I'm looking for a new apartment. He's thinking about leaving his job. They're considering making an appeal against the judgment. Are you getting enough sleep? In these next examples, the action is at a definite point in the future, and it has already been arranged. It's an arrangement. I'm meeting her at 6:30. They aren't arriving until Tuesday. We are having a special dinner at a top restaurant for all the senior managers. Isn't he coming to dinner? Oh, how disappointing. He's not coming to the dinner.